Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to add a custom or basically new menu to your Wix website? This video will guide you throughout the steps to create a customized navigation menu, making it easy for visitors to browse your website and make it a very better experience for them. So let's add a menu to your Wix website. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, go ahead and open wix.com, and from it you will be going to your dashboard. Open your sites and go to your specific site that you want to use. So guys, you know how crucial is the browsing on your site. The UX, which is basically the user experience, is very important so you can make your traffic that comes to your website have a better experience and knows the road that they have to take throughout your site. In case you didn't have the menu, this is a very bad thing. Since the menu is basically the map of your site, with it they can navigate throughout different pages, know exactly where to go, and exactly know what your site is about. If your site is an e-commerce website, you must at least have shop, cart, and a couple of options to take them to your product page and more. In case you had a blog, then you should have news, like stuff that are related to your blogs, and basically something like that. If you had service platform, then you should have your pricing page, your features, your like about you page or about us page, and some other functionalities that are very necessary for any website to have. Now this menu for some is pretty hard to make, or they don't know how to make it. In this video exactly we are going to talk about how to do so. Now we have this menu that already came with our basically templates on Wix, so every template on Wix will have its own menu. Now the menu, to edit it, you simply have to go ahead and click over the header, so the menu will be always in the header. So just simply click on the header, then you will be able to click on the menu. Click on manage menu, and from here you can manage your pages. You will have several pages depending on your site. If it was a new template, then it should have the default template pages when it comes to the Wix websites. So here you can manage all the pages, view them, and you can remove, hide, and add. So let's go first and check what other pages are available. First of all, the home page. The home page, as you can see here, is basically hidden. So as you can see, we don't have the access to it, as you can see. So we can click here, and now it will be added inside of the menu. Now this is basically like that. Let's make it longer so you can basically view every single thing. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's perfect. So here we have, let me just drag this off, something like that should be good. So this is the menu. As you can see, to make something visible, I showed you how. Click on here and then click on settings and basically hide from menu, turn it off. So this is something that you have to use in case you would like to show something inside of the menu. The same thing to hide it. Go to manage, go to your page that you want to hide, click on it, settings, and simply click on hide from the menu. Now sometimes you don't want this page, which is called home page, to be your home page. So you can change it exactly from the manage menu. Click on manage, you can go to, for example, shop, and you can make your shop as the home page simply by clicking on set. Just like that, this is your home page from now on. If you want it back to the home page, we simply go to home and hover over it. Let me just go to settings, set, and just like that, I made my home as my home page. So these are some useful tools that you can use in order to make your website better. Of course, you can also add, like, let me go here, you can add new page back, you can add page from here, you can add a new menu on this menu, so we can add, for example, black page, and we can, as you can see, it's called basically now new page. We can double click on it and click on the settings and basically rename it, but it's at the name that we want. For example, let's name it news. and here we go. Now also you have to give it some permissions in case you want it. You can make it private, you can give it some SEO basics so it can be higher when it comes to the search engines. You can here add some advanced SEO and social share. Also guys, there is some other things that can come as a problem, which is, look, I'm gonna focus, look at the menu, and it's got deleted. Now when you don't have a menu, what should you do in this position? Well, don't worry guys, it's still safe. Let me just manage the columns. I only want to have 2 columns. Alright, that's perfect, because having too many columns is basically, I don't like it that much. So yeah, so what will happen now if I don't have the menu here? Well, it's still pretty easy. Let's go ahead, click in here, click on add elements, and search for menu. Now you might not find it in this area. We simply have to search and click on menu right through here and wait a little bit. And as you can see, choose if you want vertical menu or a horizontal menu. Choose horizontal and add the menu that you want to add. And as you can see, here it is. Now we can change the design of it, so we can change the color. So here you can see the menus. Here are the menus, discover more. You can choose, for example, this one, that one, and we can customize the design. Let me just customize the design real quick by changing the text. So background fills, this first thing is the background. We don't want it to be any color. We don't, since we already have a background color in the menu or the header. Also we want, for example, the layouts. We can edit from here. The menu items can be edited by going to text and basically make them bigger, change the color of the text to white, for example, to blue, to any color that we want. We can make it bold, we can make it italic, we can make it underline, and do whatever we want in it. We can customize it fully as we'd like it to be. We can even make the size bigger. Just make sure guys that it is within the field of your column. If you surpass that, you will hear like a voice. Let me just show you. If you surpass it like here, it will make a voice in Wix which will tell you that basically you have overpassed the limit of your menu, so you can just adjust it the way it will be normally shown on the site. And do not forget guys, whenever you finish anything within your menu, you have to go and publish your site so you can save. This is very important. If you didn't save your advancements in your site, you will lose the whole progress that you've made, and that can cause you to lose your basically your data. So you don't want that to happen. So what you do is basically, whenever you create a menu, make sure to save it. Make sure to have everything settled down, everything working in a safe mode. So whenever you do your menu, whenever you create it, you save it, or anything on your site, not necessarily a menu, just basically just save it. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And that was basically it for today's video. If you have any more questions, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.